Hello, I'm back again. Now, the next thing you do is you've already logged in. So you logged in, and now I want to go up here to the very top and go to Fleet Management. You hit Fleet Management, it'll show the records that you've built already. How to build a record is to take new record, add a new record. If you add a new record, you click on it, it'll say confirm new fleet record. Confirm it. I'm going to show you one that I've already done. So I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to go into a fleet record that I've already built. So once you hit that fleet record, it's going to give you a record number on the side, and then it's going to say view fleet record. You want to go in and view it. You open it up, and it's going to say add new equipment. Click on add new equipment because I have equipment in there. You won't have equipment in there yet. So the first four lines is what you want to fill out to start with. Go down to add item. Add the item. Once you add the item, and again, this is the new one, so I'm not going to add it yet. I'm going to show you. You hit add new item, and this will go away. And you go right in if you want to see the item. Let's say I want to see an item here. I click on it, and it's view it and edit item. View edit item. It'll show you this one here is a drop down on this one. You can see this is the info, and you can see there's no add button because it's already added as a record. This record you can actually put images on. Here, you touch in the black box right here to put images on, and that will actually put your images on the record. Videos, same way. Choose a video. You choose a video, you can grab a video, choose it. You can open that up. It'll slam it right into here. You say upload it, you upload it, and there you are. You uploaded a record. You uploaded that video. So if I want to play it, I hit it. You hear it running. You see the deal? You want to stop it? Stop it right there. You want to make it, see there's nothing up here yet. You want to make it a teaser, you hit that, and it goes right to the top. It's a teaser. Now it's in here as the record. Now if I go to info, it's still up on top because it will put a picture up on top any which way. Now, I'll show you another thing that you want to do when you're taking pictures as well. So I showed you how to add items to the record, how to edit and view and edit items, and then you can just keep adding items.